Hello Eagle Targeters, welcome back to our channel, where we consistently deliver the latest and fastest updates in the field of current military affairs.
The snow-capped mountains of West Jordan, Utah, set a dramatic backdrop for the latest advancements in Army aviation. Amid these challenging terrains, a fleet of AH-64 Apache helicopters stands ready to embrace the rigors of extreme conditions. This readiness has been bolstered by a significant upgrade to the T700 engine series, marking a new chapter in reliability and performance for the Army's helicopter fleet. The Program Executive Office, Aviation, PO Aviation, recently completed the inaugural unit upgrade as part of a comprehensive initiative to replace the Enhanced Digital Engine Control Units, EDECU, across the T700 engine series. This ambitious effort has modernized the T700 D701D engines used in Utah's Army National Guard 1st Battalion, 211th Aviation Regiment. By the end of March, 23 Apache helicopters, 46 engines in total, received the advanced P09 EDECU upgrade, setting the stage for a broader fleet transformation. This phase of the upgrade, spearheaded by the Aviation Turbine Engines, AT, Project Office in collaboration with the Apache Project Office, underscores the Army's commitment to leveraging cutting-edge technology for enhanced operational efficiency. The upgrade process is not limited to Utah. Following the successful implementation in West Jordan, the next stage of Apache upgrades is set to commence in Alaska during the summer months. Beyond retrofitting existing engines, all newly produced T701D engines for Black Hawk and Apache helicopters now come equipped with the P09 EDECU. Additionally, the AMCOM Logistics Center, ALC, has begun procuring the upgraded EDECU for its spare parts inventory, ensuring consistent performance and reliability across the fleet. With over 50 million flight hours, the T700 engine series has been a cornerstone of Army aviation for more than 4 decades. However, in 2018, the Army identified a critical reliability issue with the P07/P08 EDECU models. A failure mode led to high side event occurrences, necessitating a swift and innovative solution. The AT Project Office responded with urgency, developing the P09 EDECU. By early 2019, this upgrade underwent rigorous testing through the Lead the Fleet initiative, which involved 48 P09 EDECUs accumulating over 5,000 flight hours in just 21 weeks. The testing not only validated the new design, but also identified and resolved a key issue before the upgrade was deployed fleet-wide. The T700/T55 product office remains steadfast in its mission to enhance the durability and reliability of the T700 series engines. Even as the P09 EDECU rollout progresses, the team continues to innovate, ensuring the engines meet the evolving demands of modern warfare. Through expert engineering, acquisition strategies, and program management, the T700 series remains the premier turbine engine relied upon by soldiers in critical operations. The P09 EDECU represents a significant leap forward in ensuring operational readiness and mission success. By addressing previous reliability challenges, this upgrade enhances the performance of Army helicopters in diverse and demanding environments. Soldiers operating these aircraft can now rely on improved engine stability, reduced maintenance needs, and increased confidence in their equipment. The advancements in the T700 engine series exemplify the Army's unwavering dedication to equipping its forces with the best tools for the job. By proactively addressing challenges and investing in innovation, the AT Project Office and its partners have ensured that the T700 series remains a vital asset in the Army's arsenal. As the upgrades continue across the nation, the Army's helicopter fleet is poised to achieve new heights in performance, reliability, and operational readiness. These improvements not only reflect a commitment to excellence, but also underscore the importance of staying ahead in an ever-evolving landscape of aviation technology. In conclusion, the T700 engine upgrades highlight the Army's resolve to maintain its edge in military aviation. With initiatives like the P09 EDECU upgrade, the future of Army aviation is set to soar, ensuring soldiers have the power and reliability they need to succeed in every mission.
Thank you for watching. Hopefully, this show can broaden the knowledge for you and your family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help grow this channel even bigger.